Hey everyone, in this Instagram video, I wanted to show you how to use the Instagram promote button. So the promote button you see right here on my profile, and if you click on any single post, you should see that blue promote button. Now, your business account has to be activated, meaning your Instagram profile has to be a business profile. And to do that, it's really simple. All you would have to do is on any profile that you create, click the settings icon next to edit profile. That will take you to the options menu here, where you could come down and you should see an option that says switch to a business account. Mine says switch back to a personal account because I already switched over. So if I try to select it, it's gonna revert me back to a personal account. But you could go back and forth. So you could switch to a business account. And once you do that, you will have the promote button right here where it lets you create promotions. And I'm gonna do that in this video. I also have a video on how to create a business profile page, and I'll leave that in the description if you wanna check out more details on that and if you have any problems. So to promote a post, you could either click promote right in the middle of your Instagram profile, but I want to show you how to do it from a post. So let me just press this plus icon and I'm gonna just pick this picture here. I'm gonna press next. So this is for a company I have where you could watch film festivals online, and we have a new film festival that I want to promote. So I created this square image in Photoshop. So now I'm gonna press next, and then I'm gonna write a description. And after I wrote my description, I'm gonna press OK here. I'm gonna put my hashtags in the comments. So now I just pressed OK, and I'm gonna go ahead and share this. This is just a standard post that I'm posting onto my Instagram. So let me go ahead and press share here. So now if I go to my account, that new post has been shared. If I click it, I could press promote. But you could do this with any existing post too. You don't have to create a new post just to press promote. But now let me go ahead and press promote. Now this is using promote right through the Instagram app when you're on the go. It's really easy to do, but the best way to do it is through the Facebook ad platform, but that's a different video. So if you're curious about a more in-depth advertising campaign on Instagram, let me know and I'll make a video on how to do it through the Facebook ad platform. Here I'm gonna say, where do you want to send people? I want to send them to my website, so I'm gonna choose that. You could choose your profile or your storefront. So I'm gonna press edit here under your website. I'm gonna press edit, and then I could say exactly where I want people to go. This is fine for now. And then I have some action buttons: learn now, watch more. So in this case, I'm gonna press watch more, because my platform is a video-based platform where you can watch film festivals. I'm gonna press done. So that's the option I want here. I just press next now, and it went to the next option where I want to select my audience. So there's an automatic one. It just automatically targets people that look like my followers. I could do manual or local. In this case, I want to do manual, and I'm gonna just name this. It doesn't matter what you name it here. Just something to make it easier for you. I'm gonna pick location. Illinois is fine here. I'm gonna do interest. I'm gonna do film festival. I'm gonna press done. So I'm choosing people in the state that I live in that are interested in film festival. And for age, because I'm charging money for this, it's $10. I'm gonna do people from 25 to 65. Both male and female should be checked on here. And again, this is the most important part, so make sure you pick the interest correctly. And again, on the Facebook platform where you run ads for Facebook and Instagram, you have more options. So if this is too limited for you, don't do it here. Check out the Facebook ad platform. I'm gonna press done here. That's all I wanna do for that page. I'm gonna press next. So now I have my targeting set. Now my budget and duration. So now I want to tell her how much I want to spend and how long I want to run it for. Now this film festival is only available for 2 days on this website. And since I'm just doing this test, I'm just going to do $5 a day. So that's $10 for the 2 days. And it'll tell me an estimated reach up to 1,600 people. I'm going to press next. And then it's going to give me a review here that says you're all set. So my duration, my budget, my audience, my action, watch more, and my destination, the website, or it could have been your profile. Now this does cost money. So for $10, I'm gonna get anywhere between 600 to 1600 people to see this ad, so it could lead to profile and website visits. Again, if you want to grow your Instagram or drive traffic, do this as advertising like I'm doing. It's a great way, but it's not free, so it does cost money to promote your website or your Instagram profile. So go ahead and press create promotion. And if you're not linked into your Facebook account, it's gonna ask for payments. So in my case, I already run plenty of ads on Facebook, so it didn't ask me for payment, but most likely it's gonna ask you for a credit card information or your payment information. And then once you get to this point, it's gonna say pending approval, because they usually do check out your ad to make sure it's okay. And usually Facebook and Instagram don't like a lot of text, so they might give me a warning about this. They usually don't like anywhere more than 20% of your image or 25% being text. So this could be problematic, but if it is, I would just have to redo this image, post a new image, and then promote it. And once it does get approved, you could just press view insights, and it will show you all these things about what's going on with your post, your discovery, how many people visit the website or your profile, your impressions, and how much you've spent so far, even likes, comments, and tagging. Everything shows up here on one nice and easy to follow promotion insight. Again, if you want a quick on the run promotion of your Instagram or your website through Instagram, this is the way to do it. If you want a more in-depth one, you do it through the Facebook setting, which is a different video. And if you're interested in that, let me know and I'll make a detailed video on that. Just leave me a comment below. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I post easy to follow Instagram, social media, and tech videos 5 times a week. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.